Hi students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed order and degree. Order means highest derivative. Order means highest derivative. Okay. Degree means the highest power of highest derivative. Highest power of highest derivative. While finding degree, it should be polynomial in terms of derivative. It should be polynomial in terms of derivative. If it is not polynomial in terms of derivative, degree does not exist. So I think we have discussed previous CET questions up to 21, I think. Yes. Now the 22, question number 22, previous CET question. Solution of e power dy by dx equal to x when x equal to 1, y equal to 0. E power dy by dx equal to x. Apply log on both sides. E power dy by dx equal to log x. This comes this side, dy by dx log e base is 1 equal to log x. Now dy equal to log x into dx. So integration here. Okay, integration of dy is y, integration of log x. This is by using eyelet u, and this is v is 1. Log x, integration of 1 x minus derivative of log x 1 by x, integration of 1 is x, get cancelled. Y is equal to x log x minus integration of 1 dx is x plus c. To find the c, they given the value here. Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. X equal to y is 0, x is 1, log 1 is 0, minus 1 plus c, c is equal to 1. Substitute here, y equal to x log x minus x plus c is 1. Check the option. Here y is equal to x, take common, log x minus 1 plus 1. Log x minus 1 plus 1. Next, 23rd question, I think we have done m and n. 24, question number 24, m and n are the order and degree of the differential equation. Y double dash whole power 5, 4 into y double dash of whole cube by y triple dash plus y triple dash equal to sin x. Then what is order and degree? M is represent order and n is represent degree. Yes, by taking LCM here, y triple dash, here y double dash whole power 5, y triple dash, 4 into y double dash whole cube plus y triple dash whole square equal to sin x. This is transpose this side, y double dash whole power 5, y triple dash plus 4 into y double dash whole cube plus y triple dash whole square equal to sin x into y triple dash. So what is order? Order is here denoted m. Order is highest order is 3. Degree n is degree equal to the highest power of, here power is 1, 2, degree is 2. Next, similarly 25 you can find, 26. I think we have done these all questions. Yes, question number 31 see, question number 31, the order and degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square plus sine of dy by dx whole power 3 by 4 equals d square y by dx square. What is the order? Order is 2. Degree sine of dy by dx is there, so does not exist. Degree does not exist. Next one, order and degree. Exemplar problems which are very important. Exemplar problems. First question, the degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole cube equal to d square y by dx square whole square. What is the order? Order is 2. The power of this is degree. Degree is 2. Second one is the degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square equal to x square into log of d square y by dx square. So what is degree? This is not polynomial in terms of derivative. Log is exponential function, so that's why degree does not exist. Degree does not exist. What is the order? Highest order is 2. Order is 2. Next, the order and degree of the differential equation, question number 3rd, 1 plus dy by dx whole square and whole square equal to d square y by dx square. Tell me, what is order? 2. Degree 1. Degree is 1. Next one, 4th question, the order of the differential equation of all circle of given radius A. All circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to a square, where a is the given. Given means not arbitrary constant. This is the constant. These two are arbitrary constant. Number of arbitrary constant. Number of arbitrary constant equal to order of the differential equation. How many arbitrary constant? 2. Therefore order also 2. Next, the question number 5, the solution of the differential equation 2x into dy by dx minus y equal to 3. 2x into dy by dx, this is transpose that side, y plus 3. dy by y plus 3 equal to dx by 2x. Now 2 right here. Apply integration. 2 into integration of dy by y plus 3 is log of y plus 3 and log x plus c. Then log both side, no, you can take log c. Then log of y plus 3 whole square equal log m plus log n log of cx. So y plus 3 whole square equal to cx. This is represent parabola. This is represent parabola. Next, question number 5, the integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx into x log x plus y equal to 2 log x. First of all, this is make the coefficient as 1, dy by dx plus y by x log x equal to 2 log x by x log x. This get cancelled. This is the p, the integrating factor equal to e power integration of p dx. E power integration of p 1 by x log x dx. E power integration of this comes up 1 by x by log x dx. This derivative is there, e power log of log x. What is the base? E. So which is equal to log x base e. Which of the following is not homogeneous of function x and y? Which of the following is not homogeneous of function x and y? Homogeneous means degree should be same. So first option here, x square plus 2xy, degree same, that's why it is homogeneous. Second one, 2x minus y, degree equal each and every term, so it is homogeneous. Third one, cos square y by x plus y by x, here degree does not exist, but if you put in place of y, ky, cos square ky by kx plus ky by kx will get the same function, f of kx comma ky equal to, okay, f of x comma y, here k raised to 0, therefore it is homogeneous. So fourth must be non-homogeneous. Fourth option is sin x minus cos y, this is not homogeneous. Why? Because if you put x is equal to kx, y is equal to ky, k we can't take out, therefore it is not homogeneous. So as per the question, this is the correct answer. Next, the solution of the differential equation dx by x plus dy by y equal to 0. Apply integration. This is the log x plus this is the log y. Integration of one is constant. So log of both, log if there, you better you take the constant log c. Log of xy equal to log of c. So xy equal to c. Next question is the solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Divide by x, dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to x. So what is p? 2 by x. What is the q? X. Yes. Now integrating factor e power integration of p dx, e power integration of p 2 by x dx, e power 2 log x, so which is equal to x square. Therefore the general solution of this equation is y into integrating factor integration of q if into dx. Y into integrating factor is x square, q is x and if is x square dx, so which is equal to x cube. Y into x square equal to x cube integration x power 4 by 4 plus c, divided by x square by 4 plus c by x square. The degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square whole square plus dy by dx whole square equal to x into sine of dy by dx. What is degree here? Degree is does not exist. Why? Because this is not polynomial in terms of derivative, so degree does not exist. Now the next question is the degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square and whole power 3 by 2 equal to d square y by dx square. Here this is radicals, make it free from radical, squaring on both sides. 1 plus dy by dx whole square, if you square on both sides will get whole cube equal to d square y by dx square whole cube. What is order? What is order? 2 and degree is 3. Degree is 3. Next, the order and degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole power 1 by 4 plus x power 1 by 5 equal to 0. What is order? Order is 2. What about degree? Does not exist, because this is we can't make free from radicals. If you make free from radical, this again will get radicals. That's why degree does not exist, which is not polynomial in terms of derivative. Next one is y equals e power minus x a cos x plus b sin x. Then y is the solution of that. How many arbitrary constant there here? 2. So we have to apply differentiation 2 times and eliminate a and b. Y equals e power minus x uv. This is a cos x derivative is minus a sin x plus b cos x plus a cos x plus b sin x, and e power minus x derivative is e power minus x into minus. Yes, now this you can write, this is e power minus x, a cos x plus b sin x into e power minus x is y, e power minus x minus a sin x plus b cos x minus y. So y dash. Again differentiation this one, this is the equation 2 and this is the equation 1. Y double dash equal to, we have to apply differentiation 2 times, e power minus x minus a cos x minus b sin x plus minus a sin x plus b cos x, and e power minus x derivative is e power minus x into minus. So y dash double dash. So now we should eliminate a and b. If you take minus common here, e power minus x a cos x plus b sin x equal to y minus a sin x plus b cos x e power minus x equal to y dash plus y. Then y double dash equal to minus y dash minus y double dash plus y dash plus 2y equal to 0. This is. Next question is, the degree of the differential equation is over, it is now. Okay, next 15th also, there are two arbitrary constant a and b. The differential equation y is equal to a cos alpha x plus b sin alpha x. Then where a and b are arbitrary constant, so we should differentiation 2 times, y dash equal to minus a sin alpha x into alpha, b cos alpha x into alpha, right? Again y double dash equal to minus a cos alpha x into alpha square minus b sin alpha x into alpha square, minus alpha square take common, a cos alpha x plus b sin alpha x minus alpha square, which is equal to y. So y double dash equal to minus alpha square y. Next one is question number 16. The solution of the differential equation tan y into secant square x dx plus tan x into secant square y dy equal to 0. See, tan y variable and separable, it is secant square x dx equal to minus tan x secant square y dy. Tan y, this is transpose that side, secant square x dx by tan x, x terms write together, minus secant square y dy by tan y, variable and separable. This derivative is here log of tan x equal to minus log of tan y. Both log is there, better constant consider log c. Log of m tan x plus log of tan y equal to log c. Log m plus log n, log of m into n, tan x into tan y equal to log c. So tan x into tan y equal to c. Tan x into tan y equal to c. Next one, the family of y is equal to ax plus a cube of a curve represented by the differential equation of degree. First, how many arbitrary constant? Only one, so we should eliminate a, y dash equal to a. So this is substitute here, y is equal to y dash into x plus y dash whole cube. So what is order? Order is 1. So degree is 3. Order is 1, degree is 3. Next, integrating factor of x dy by dx, minus y equal x power 4 minus 3x. Divide by x here, dy by dx minus y by x equal x cube minus 3. E power integration of p dx minus 1 by x dx, e power minus of log x, e power log of x power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by x. Okay, this is IF. The question is IF only. Next, the question number 19. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx minus y equal to 1. Y of 0 equal to 1 is given by dy by dx. This is we can find two ways, by integrating differential equation, okay, linear order differential equation, or by variable and separable. That transpose that side, you will get variable and separable. Both ways we can solve it is, okay, dy by dx equal to 1 plus y, dy by 1 plus y equal to dx. Apply integration. Dy by 1 plus y is log of 1 plus y equal to x plus c. Put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. X is 0, y is 1. X is 0 here, y is 1. Log 2 equal to x is 0, c is log 2. Substitute here. So log of 1 plus y equal to x plus c value. How much c value is? Log 2. Yes. Now this is, we can simplify, log m minus log n, log of 1 plus y by 2 equal to x. What is base? E. So 1 plus y is equal by 2 equal to e power x. So 1 plus y equal to 2 into e power x. 2 into e power x. So which option is right? The fourth option, y is equal to 2 into e power x minus 1. Next one is question number 20. The number of solution of the dy by dx equal to y plus 1 by x minus 1 when y of 1 equal to 2. What is the use of this? To get arbitrary constant value. This is variable and separable. Dy by y plus 1 dx by x minus 1. This is equal to log of y plus 1, log of x minus 1 plus log of c. Okay, log of y plus 1 equal log m plus log n, log of m into n, c into x minus 1. So y plus 1 equal to c into x minus 1. Now put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 0. C 0 here. Put x is equal to 1, the c value become a 0 here. So it's vanished here. So the better you take here, put x is equal to 1 here, log 1 means does not exist, y is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So c is equal to log c here. Here if you substitute here, log of y is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 left side equal to here, put x equal to 1, log 0 does not exist, log c. So c is equal to 3. C is equal to 3 will get. Here c vanishes by substituting here, that's why you substitute here. So y plus 1 equal to 3 into x minus 1. Okay. So what option is correct? The number of solutions, how many are there? Okay. Here what happened here? C, none, no solution, 2 solution, infinite solution. Here C is, by taking the value of this, you are getting C is 3. C is 3 means exact the value. Okay. When you put in this equation, what is the C value? Does not, means C is vanishes. So C means particular solution. When it is particular solution, you will get exactly one solution. Okay. But here this is does not exist. Actually it has no solution. No, none of this option. The number of solutions, no. Next, which of the following is second order differential equation? Second order, first option here, y dash whole square plus x equal to y square, y dash y double dash plus y equal to sin x, y triple dash plus y double dash whole square plus y equal to 0. Fourth one, y dash equal to y square. Which of the following is second order differential equation? This is the second order differential equation. This is the first order, third order, first order. Integrating factor of the differential equation, 1 minus x square dy by dx minus xy equal to 1, dy by dx minus x by 1 minus x square y equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. This is the P integrating factor, e power integration of p dx, e power integration of minus x by 1 minus x square dx. So e power, this derivative is minus 2x multiplied by 2 here. So 1 by 2 log of 1 minus x square. This comes here, e power log of root of 1 minus x square base e root of 1 minus x square. This is the IF integrating factor.